Corporate America's $2 trillion carbon problem. One tree could fix it. Corporate America committed to removing 10 billion tons of CO2 by 2050. Current capacity? Less than 10 million tons. That's a 1,000x gap between what they promised and what actually exists. While tech companies are burning billions on experimental carbon capture machines, there's a tree that's been quietly solving this problem for over 1,000 years. And it grows so fast you can literally watch it grow. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this tree could close the biggest supply-demand gap in corporate history and why smart money is already positioning themselves. Let's review the corporate carbon crisis. Let me show you the math that's keeping CEOs awake at night. The commitments. Microsoft, carbon negative by 2030. Apple, carbon neutral across entire supply chain by 2030. Amazon, net zero by 2040. Google, operating carbon-free by 2030. Total corporate commitments, 10+ billion tons CO2 removal needed. The reality. Current global carbon removal capacity, 10 million tons. The gap, 1,000x shortage. Cost of tech solutions, $600 to $1,000 per ton. Total market value, $6 to $10 trillion. Why traditional solutions fail? Direct air capture, too expensive, too slow to scale. Traditional tree planting takes 50+ years to deliver meaningful results. Ocean-based removal, unproven at scale. Soil carbon, difficult to measure and verify. The problem. Corporate net zero deadlines are 6 to 26 years away. Traditional solutions can't scale fast enough. The solution. The little-known Paulownia solution. Enter Paulownia, the tree that could save corporate America's climate commitments. The speed advantage. Growth rate, 15 to 20 feet per year. Carbon absorption, 38 tons CO2 in first 5 years. Harvest cycle, 5 to 7 years versus 50+ for traditional trees. Scalability can deliver results in corporate timeframes. The math that changes everything. 1 hectare of Paulownia equals 38 tons CO2 in 5 years. To close the 10 billion ton gap equals 263 million hectares needed. Available degraded land globally, 2+ billion hectares. The solution is mathematically possible. Why corporations are taking notice. Verifiable carbon removal. Measurable, auditable results. Cost advantage. $50 to $200 per ton versus $600+ for tech solutions. Multiple revenue streams. Timber, biochar, carbon credits, ESG compliance, real environmental impact, not just offsets. Timing is everything, the market opportunity. This isn't just about trees, it's about the biggest supply-demand imbalance in corporate history. Current market dynamics, carbon credit demand, exploding exponentially, high-quality supply, extremely limited, corporate buyers, desperate for verified removal. Price trajectory, rising rapidly due to scarcity. The Paulownia advantage, permanent carbon storage, wood products plus biochar. Additionality, new forests not protecting existing ones. Co-benefits, biodiversity, soil restoration, rural jobs. Blockchain verification, real-time monitoring and reporting. Who's already moving? Microsoft, investing in nature-based solutions. Stripe, advanced market commitments for carbon removal. Shopify, funding innovative carbon projects. Smart money, recognizing the Paulownia opportunity. The investment thesis. Massive demand, 10 billion tons needed. Limited supply alternatives. Proven technology, 1,000+ years of use. Perfect timing. Corporate deadlines creating urgency. Time to act. The positioning strategy. Here's how to position yourself in this massive market shift. For investors, Paulownia plantation development, carbon credit aggregation platforms, processing and biochar facilities, land acquisition in suitable regions. For corporations, direct plantation partnerships, long-term carbon credit offtakes, supply chain integration, first mover advantage in verified removal. For landowners, Paulownia agroforestry projects, carbon credit development, corporate partnership opportunities, transform marginal land into carbon assets. The timeline: 2024-2025, early positioning and pilot projects. 2026-2028, scaling and corporate adoption. 2029-2035, mass deployment to meet corporate deadlines. 2050, market maturation and consolidation. Call to action. Corporate America has a $2 trillion carbon problem, and traditional solutions can't scale fast enough to solve it. Paulownia represents the only nature-based solution that can deliver verified carbon removal at the speed and scale corporations need. This is the biggest supply-demand imbalance in corporate history. The companies and investors who position themselves now will capture the majority of this massive market. If you want to stay ahead of the carbon removal revolution, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm tracking the opportunities that will define the next decade of climate investing. What do you think? Can one tree species really close a 1,000x supply gap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The carbon removal race is on, and Paulownia might just win it. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call, time to speak directly, at bioeconomysolutions.com.